Most people get this wrong and think canceling a bundle means losing everything. That's not true. But here's the catch. If you click the wrong option, you can accidentally cancel both services instead of just one. Here's the truth no one tells you. When you're subscribed to a bundle that includes Hulu and Disney, you don't always have separate controls unless you know where to look. Quick promise. In the next few minutes you'll learn exactly how to cancel Hulu while keeping Disney Plus active, step by step, without losing your watch history or breaking your subscription setup. Let's start with the most important step. Open your account on the device where you originally subscribed. This is usually your phone or laptop. Go to your subscription settings, not the app itself. That's where most people get stuck. They try to cancel inside the Hulu app, but that often leads to full bundle cancellation. Now here's where it gets interesting. Look for the section called Manage Plan or Subscriptions. If you're on a bundle, you'll see both Hulu and Disney Plus listed together. This is where you must slow down. Select Hulu first. You should see an option to cancel only Hulu or downgrade your plan. Choose Cancel Hulu. Do not select Cancel Subscription at the top level, because that can remove everything. But here's the problem many users face. They don't realize their billing might be handled by a third party like Apple, Google, or a TV provider. If that's the case, you won't be able to cancel directly on the Hulu website. You must go through the same platform you used to sign up. For example, if you subscribed on an iPhone, open Apple Subscriptions. If you used Google Play, open Play Store Subscriptions. Then cancel Hulu from there while leaving Disney Plus untouched. Now here's a useful tip. After canceling Hulu, refresh your account page. Disney Plus should still show as active. If it doesn't update immediately, don't panic. It usually takes a few minutes to sync. Finally, log out and log back into Disney Plus. This resets your session and ensures everything works smoothly. To wrap it up, the key steps are simple. Always check your billing source, cancel only Hulu from the bundle, and avoid full account cancellation. That's how you keep Disney Plus active without interruptions. If this helped, like the video, comment with your setup, and subscribe for more clear streaming guides like this.